Hello everybody, so this is my end of year message to you all. So as acting principal of Whitley Academy, I wanted to congratulate you all on a fantastic year. It's been extremely challenging at times, it's been very different, but you've all coped extremely well with those challenges that we've all faced. You've continued to work incredibly hard, you've demonstrated what an asset you are to the school and to the local community. All of the staff at Whitley are incredibly proud of what you achieve on a day-to-day basis. So please make sure that you do have that well-earned break, enjoy your holiday, come back in September ready to learn and to be the best you can be. We look forward to seeing you in September. Bye for now.
Well done, Year 11. Well done. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Year 11. That's great. That's perfect, Year 11. Well done. Really good entry to this morning's assembly. Excellent. Good morning. Welcome to our Year 11 Leavers Assembly. It's really great to have you all here. I'm going to talk to you about things today and most of all, wish you all the best for the future. I want to start this assembly by talking to you one last time about the values you've been working towards since your time at Whitley. Firstly, high aspirations. Throughout your time at Whitley, the school has always tried to get you to reach for the stars and to aim high in your aspirations. It's crucial that as you leave the school, you continue to flourish and aim for the top. If you do this and work hard towards your dreams and not accepting defeat and learning from any setbacks that you have, you will achieve your dreams. Remember, #BeLikeCliff. It is also crucial to be mindful of mental security. When we've been working at home, there hasn't always been a teacher on hand to support you. Therefore, you've had to think for yourself and work out things for yourself, researching around topics. In these strange and difficult times, it's crucial that we all keep things in perspective and understand that people are important. Looking after those around ourselves is paramount. It's also important to bear in mind our community. We have had to deal with not seeing friends and family for a long time, and this has made us realise how important friendships are. This should hopefully show us that being kind to others is really important and should be something we strive to do as we move on to our next steps. Keep in touch with each other and keep those links that you have forged at Whitley. I now want to talk to you about change. Change is happening all around us, change is happening in the world right now. We have seen new political parties, Change UK, gather momentum, and their main focus has been politics is broken, let's change it. We've seen the recent protests by Black Lives Matter and Extinction Rebellion in London. They look to raise the profile of important issues surrounding the environment and race. We continue to see debate about Brexit, but quite clearly change is on the way, not least with COVID-19. So why do we change at all? It might be at some point that you've been forced to change, maybe at school this year, there was more self-study needed at home, maybe because you've been driven to, maybe because you need to, maybe because you want to change. Whatever the reason, change will not happen without movement from within. I ask you now, now that we have left Year 11, what changes will you make to your next steps to make yourselves even more successful than you've already been? Greta Thunberg is a Swedish climate change activist who has been described as a role model for worldwide student activism. She is known for having initiated a school strike for climate movement that formed in November 2018. On March 2019, an estimated number of 1.4 million students in 112 countries around the world joined her call in striking and protesting. On the 13th of March 2019, 3 members of the Norwegian Parliament nominated Thunberg as a candidate for the Nobel Peace Prize. She is someone that has really instigated change at a very young age. Most recently, Marcus Rashford has called on the government to reverse a decision not to provide free school meal vouchers during the summer, saying that the system isn't built for families like mine to succeed. The Manchester United and England forward has raised about 20 million to supply 3 million meals to vulnerable people while working with the charity Fair Share UK during the coronavirus lockdown. Marcus Rashford is someone who's tried to use his position successfully to bring about change. So how about you? When you move on to your next steps in September, what changes could you make to make a difference? No matter how small the difference was, is there an issue you feel strongly about in Coventry? Is there something you can do to help your community? Is there someone that you know who could do with a bit of help? Is there a change you need to make in your own life to make it better and make you more successful? Changing yourself might be easy enough, but taking others with you will be another challenge. I wish you all the best as you go on to make change for the better.
We're really excited to welcome Year 11 applicants to Post-16 in September. Remember, you'll have already had your live lessons and transition work to help you get a head start with Year 12. You'll be emailed your GCSE results on Thursday the 20th of August, and then you'll have an appointment on Microsoft Teams with a member of staff to discuss those results and enrollment to Post-16. Remember to have a great summer, because September is going to require hard work, organisation and dedication. Good luck with your GCSE results, and we look forward to welcoming you to Post-16 in September.